The next thing I'm going to show you guys is background remover. Now, this is a very, very powerful tool. And what it does basically, it removes the background of absolutely any image. So say, for example, you've got an image that you like, but you don't want the background to be visible. Well, all you've got to do is use a background remover. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. So if you click on your image here and you have your template ready to go, at the top, you'll see where it says BG remover, which is the background remover. Now, want to bear in mind that you can only use this if you have a paid version of Canva. If you don't have a paid version, you won't be able to use this. So if you do, you can then use it. It will appear as a background remover and you click on it, and within a couple of seconds, it has pretty much removed that image for you. It does it with absolutely anything. I'm going to show you another example of how it can do it even with the most complex of backgrounds. Here is a image of a brand and it's got very similar kind of white backgrounds, but I want to completely remove it. So I call this complex because there is literally no background as such, but you can see that they are, standing behind doors. So I'm going to ask it to remove the background. I want to see how easy it can do this, and you see how powerful the background remover can be. So you click on your image and you go at the top and you click on background remover. And when you click on that, it pretty much has removed the background, even of the most slightest of backgrounds. So it's a very powerful tool. Let me know how you get on with using it. I use it for a lot of my videos and a lot of my content creations, and it's absolutely powerful. And it's really, really simple to use. So let me know how you get on, and I'll see you in the next one.